Welcome to Stow Car Company in Chelmsford. Stow Car Company is an RAC approved buy-shore retailer. That means all of our vehicles pass a strict 82-point RAC check, in addition to our own workshop inspections. It's my absolute pleasure to present today this very nice Ford Transit Connect. 24 plate, low mileage, very low mileage, and of course has both keys, and it will be fully serviced and inspected prior to handing it over to its new owner. Overall, it's in excellent condition. Very low mileage, as mentioned, hasn't been abused. We purchased it direct from the previous owner, and it's been well looked after, well maintained, and drives exactly as you would expect it to. Now, it's not a brand new vehicle, and that is the main reason for these video presentations, to demonstrate any imperfections, marks or blemishes that you should be aware of. Please note, by the way, roof bars are included in the sale. Making my way along the driver's side, first of all, you'll notice that there are no nasty gouges, dents or dings that we can see, and the alloy wheel appears to be virtually unmarked. Certainly no cracks in the windscreen. If there are any light stone chips, we can't see them. There's certainly no dents in the roof, no scuffs on the mirror housing, and all the way down the driver's side, no ripples, dents, dings or marks. If we miss something very minor, it's certainly not deliberate. We aim to point everything out. But we say that just to cover ourselves, because we are only human. As you can see here, seat base and bolster exactly as you would expect to find it. 6,800 miles. That's how it should look, really. All in very good order. Same on the door card, nothing to tell you about. Smells fresh and clean inside. Alloy wheel, once again, appears to be unmarked, plenty of tread remaining on the tyre. And making my way round towards the rear, no scuffs on the bumper corners, no cracks in the rear lenses, no dents or dings in the rear doors that I can see. Everything looks as it should. The only thing I can find is, and it's pretty normal, anything like this, there's a couple of load marks along here, lower down. Doesn't detract from the overall appearance of the vehicle. A couple of very slight stone chips, there's one there. And inside again, it's been ply lined. Ply lining has done its job. A few marks on the bulkhead. Ply lining's got marks on it to be expected, but that's what it's there for. A few marks on the insides of the rear doors. Nothing horrific. It's in good used condition. Rear doors, as you can see, nothing glaringly obvious to point out. Tiny little scratch just there that I think will polish out, and a little sort of chip just there. Other than that, can't really see anything obvious. Same down the passenger side. No nasty gouges, dents or dings. Alloy wheel in good order again. And finally, passenger side front, same as everywhere else, in excellent overall condition, with nothing to tell you. I'd always expect some stone chips on the front end. I'm sure this is no exception. I can see a couple of stone chips front end, a couple of very light scratches which will polish out. There's just a couple there, but they'll polish, and a few stone chips on the bonnet and also lower down. But it is minor, but I always say that just to cover myself. Overall, absolutely super in every way. A very nice, low mileage, sensible Ford Transit Connect. You can reserve this vehicle on our website. You can apply for finance there as well, if out of hours, but it's best to do all of these things over the phone with us in the office. Just pick up the phone and we'll be happy to answer any questions you may have. This is the Ford Transit Connect. Covered just over 6,000 miles, and this is Stow Car Company in Chelmsford.